Hey guys, just going to do a little gunsmithing project here today. It's working on this old Marlin 30A. It's an oldie, it's pre-1975, and if you're my age, then you get to say that. So what happened is it's broken the magazine tube. The magazine tube band is broken, just there, and got the new one. And this has got the 365 thousandths base, and the older style dovetails are 390 thousandths. So this guy goes in here, but there's like a 25 thousandths discrepancy, right? So it's loose in there, and so. Literally, the older ones don't exist anymore. Marlin discontinued them, and there's none on eBay. There's none at the Numeric doesn't have any. So these things just don't exist with the bigger base. So this is literally, this little guy is literally a $20 part, right? And if I machine this part, this is going to take me, there's quite a while. There's a lot of work in this little part, right, to set up for one part. So I'm thinking about kind of cheesing out and building weld up on the back of this, and letting it run over a little, and then putting it in the mill and machining it off, you know, because I'm just trying to get 25 thousandths here. So that's not a lot of weld. So I'll try that route first. I'll try the welding route first, and then if that doesn't work, which I don't hold out much hope for it. If that doesn't work, then I'm gonna have to machine this part. Okay, so first things first, a little glue and rust remover here. Pretty good. Okay, so here it is. Just have it all prepped, ready to weld. So let's go ahead and set it up on the welding table. Okay, this is how I'm set up. I just have a little block of aluminum in here as my heat sink. I'm gonna weld this side right here, and I'm gonna weld on the back, on the face of it here first, build a little raft, then switch the orientation, and then build it up on that bevel right there. And hopefully you guys are seeing that. So start out in this orientation. That's probably got it already. I probably don't even need to do any more. All right, well, let's see. There's our weld. So let's go try to make this work. So just going to try to pre-grind some of this so we don't have to mill so much. Alright, so we're touched off and just going to dial in. Let me see if I can get you guys a little closer look here. And just going to try to face this guy off. And I feel like Okay, so we're cleaned off the top here. You can see there's a differentiation here in the metals, and it looks like it's raised. It's not. It's just heat affected from where I put my welds in. I'm going to try to get it a little closer view for you guys. So you can see right in the bottom left-hand corner there, we're touched. And I don't want to take any more meat off of there now. So we're looking good. So now I'm just going to take a little bit off the backside here to get it close to dimension. It's like we're looking for 390 thousandths, and we're like 500 right at the tip of that thing. So I'm just going to come in and touch off on the backside with the end mill and take a little bit off of this backside, get it close, and then change my tool. Okay, there's the 390 we've been looking for right there. Now I'm going to change the tool. Alright, got the tool height set on the tool, and now I'm just going to touch off here. Okay, boys, we got the 390 thousandths that we were looking for. So, super happy with that. And you can see the back, the base of the part here. Again, it looks like a step off there, but it's just heat affected metal, right? And here's our bevel. So that's just going to require a little file work to blend that a little bit. Not perfect yet. Very nice. Okay. Okay, pretty much got everything blended, and this is what we're looking like. You can see where our weld is here, where the heat affected zone is. You can see where we're built up on the bevel here, if the camera would focus on it. So pretty much all blended back now, and so you can see it's kind of nice tap in fit here. So that's going to tap in. That's just started in there. So that's how we're looking. Now I'm just going to go ahead and go wash it. And all right, so we'll just let that soak in there for a little bit, and then we'll install it. All right, guys, so this is how we're looking. This is the first coat. This is going to require several coats probably. I'll just wipe this off with a little steel wool and give it another drink. But okay, so we'll just let that soak the oil, and we'll install it once it's all good and ready. Okay, so just going to put the little magazine retention tube pin in here. You guys can, there we go. Okay, so that guy's in there. I'm not going to pound it flush to the other side. I'm going to leave a little gap there for the next person that needs to push that out. There's a little starter there for them for their punch. Get it started with the neoprene. Okay, so there you have it. Here's a better look at that. Looks like I could go just a little bit more here. Not much. All right, guys, so that's pretty much that. You know, you can't get parts for some of these things, and you have to be able to machine them. Like I said, I could have machined this piece, but it would have required quite a bit of work for that little guy. And I think we got a pretty good result with the way that we did that. Anyway, just a fun little gunsmithing video for you guys, because I know you like those ones. So stay tuned for more cool stuff.